We're not just the world's #1 outdoor oven because our ovens can cook pizzas in just 60 seconds. Our ovens can be pretty portable too. Whether you're doing a day trip to the beach, a weekend of camping, or a lakeside holiday, here's some tips to get the most out of cooking with Ooni in the great outdoors. When you're getting ready to head out, it's a good idea to take your oven's stone out and wrap it in a towel or something soft, especially if you expect a bumpy ride. If you're bringing solid fuel, seal it up. This will stop your fuel from getting damp. Look for steady, clear ground to set up, and make sure there's at least 9 inches of clearance above your oven. Watch out for branches or foliage or anything that can make you trip. The last thing you want is a nasty tumble when you're launching or serving up a delicious pizza. And if there are children and animals around, set up your Ooni at a safe height out of their reach. Ooni ovens work in almost any climate, from frigid Finland to the arid Arabian desert. That said, the flame inside your Ooni oven does not play well with high winds. When deciding where to set up your oven, pick a semi-sheltered spot that gets a low breeze. Make sure to position the oven so that the wind blows into the back of the oven. That way, the breeze, combined with your Ooni oven's advanced airflow system, helps to feed the flame. If the oven you're taking with you is gas-powered, bear in mind that not all Ooni ovens are compatible with camping gas canisters. Search camping on the Ooni knowledge base to see what kind of gas canisters you can use. You can always take and bake. Save yourself some time by bringing along frozen pizza bases or dough balls to cook on the day. If you're traveling with dough, you can keep it nice and cold in a cooler with plenty of ice. Depending on the cooler and the ambient temperature, your dough could last up to 5 days. Travel light. Find ways to extend the usefulness of everything you're bringing. For example, the bamboo lids for our dough boxes are a real triple threat. You can use them as a cutting board, a prep surface, and a serving platter. A peel is an absolute must-have if you're making pizza. If you're saving space and can only take just one, go for the classic solid peel. It's simple, versatile, and will get the job done. If you needed to take the stone out of the oven to travel, you're gonna wanna wait until the stone is cool to the touch before packing it away. So always use a temperature gun to gauge the heat of the stone. There you have it, our top tips to get you cooking in the wild and ensure your next trip into the great outdoors is a delicious one. For more tips, troubleshooting, recipes, or any other help you might need, check out our other videos here on YouTube. And as always, you can learn more at Ooni.com.